Hello dear friends, my name is Jitendra Bafna. I am a senior MuleSoft architect. In this video, we will going to see how to integrate a AnyPoint platform with Okta SAML 2.0 basically. So basically here we will see how we can enable the identity management on the AnyPoint platform using Okta SAML 2.0. So basically Okta is the identity provider. Okay, and like what is a SAML 2.0? A SAML 2.0 stands for Security Assertion Markup Language. Basically it is way of authenticating users and provided access to the requested or required resources. So that is the capability of SAML 2.0. Apart from that, the SAML 2.0 communicate in the XML format. So like communication between any point platform and the SAML 2.0 provider, it will be in the form of XML basically. So let me start with a demonstration. So we will going to use Okta and Anypoint platform for for configuring the identity provider. So basically in this case we have a two identity, we can perform the identity management using OpenID Connect and the SAML 2.0. Let me We will use the SAML 2.0. In my previous video I have already shown how we can use the OpenID Connect for the identity management. If you see, there is the two thing: identity management and the client provider. So client provider is basically used to secure your API or to authorize or authenticating your APIs, whereas identity provider is basically you're governing your anypoint platform or like authenticating the users and provide the access to the right resources. Okay, so we have to fill all this information. So before that I have to create a application in the Okta. So you can go to applications, and the application you can say create app application, and I can select whatever protocol. In this case I want to select SAML 2.0. I can say next. Also, like, you have to provide the organization ID. So basically you copy, or organization ID. You can find the organization ID here. You can copy this. Okay, you will require it. You can copy on some notepad. I have already done in my case. Okay. mm, so what we require: application name, I can say Anypoint SAML. Okay, simply rest of the things I can keep as a empty. Next, you have to provide a single sign-on URL. So Anypoint provided a single sign-on URL, https anypoint.mulesoft.com/account. This is the default URL which you can use. Okay, just paste it here. Just then audience URI. So this is something like you require organization ID. So this is the organization ID. So organization ID which we have copied in last steps. So organization ID dot anypoint dot mulesoft.com. Copy this also and paste it in the place of audience URI. Also, like, what are the attribute you have to pass with the request? I want a first name. I will, okay. So user information. So last name. So basically what will happen when the user first time log in into Anypoint platform, right? In that case, what information we need to pass to Anypoint platform? I'm saying first name, last name, and email. So I can say user dot first name, user dot last name, user dot email. Okay, so these are the parameters I need to pass. We will see group later. I will say next. Okay, I am Okta vendor or Okta customer. This is the internal app that we have created. I can say finish. This is just for information purpose. Okay. So we will got all this information. You can click on this view setup instruction. So copy this identity provider SAML URL. Okay, copy this and paste it on notepad also. And also you go to Anypoint platform, you go to client provide, sorry, identity provider. I'm waiting, it's taking some time for loading. Let me reload it. Generally it should not take that much of the time. Okay, sometime there can be a network issue. No, yeah, it's there. So I can go to identity provider, I can select SAML 2.0, the single sign-on URL which I've copied from Okta. So you can paste it that. Sign off URL, you can give anything like HTTP, you know, HTTPS, whatever sign-on URL. I can give anypoint.mulesoft.com. You have to give a issuer URL. So if you go to instruction, you will get that issuer provider URL. Copy this and paste it here. You have to give a public key which is used for communication. This is my public key. Copy this public key. Make sure you copy it right. Okay. Then you have to give an audience URL. In my case, the audience URL again, this is organization id dot anypoint.mulesoft.com. Control V. Okay. That's it, and I can say create. Okay, insert. Okay, I haven't done that. Okay, sorry, I paste it at a wrong place. It should be in audience. Create. Okay, so I have created SAML 2.0. So let me use that sign on URL which I've copied in the first step. Let me go to a different browser. Okay, I have like I will go to different browser now. I will enter. So now it will take me to the Okta screen where I will put the password and username. Okay, this is my username. Here I am using Okta for logging into Anypoint platform. So that is the job of identity management. Sorry, okay. This is the right error because what happened, you need to assign once you create the application, right? So you need to assign the user or like to group. That application need to be assigned to some group. So I can click here. So you can click it here and like sorry, you can go to general. Okay, let assignment, sorry, you can say assign to group. Okay, and you can say assign to everyone. Okay, so now I have assigned that. Let me refresh it. So let me go back and let me check. So now it's trying to signing into Anypoint SAML. So I'm able to see now you can see I'm able to logging into Anypoint platform. Let me check. See, I don't have any access. Let me go to runtime manager. So what I've done, I've used the Okta username password to log in into Anypoint platform. This is known as a identity management basically. So basically your organization might be having the AD directory and you want anybody from your organization can log in into Anypoint platform. In such case you do the SAML 2.0 or OpenID integration. But the problem is that like I don't have access to anything. So is there any way like by default if any user is logging from my organization have at least some kind of access by default? Can we do that? Yes, we can do that basically. So we can do that. How we can set up the default access? Let me show that. So basically, if you go to something called security, not security, workflow, I think. Sorry, it might be in application reports, not in. Just a minute. Yeah, you can go to group. Okay. So okay, I have created like you can simply say add group and you can just provide the group name. I can say test one, create add group. Okay, open this test one group. You can assign the people to this group also, like manage people. I can say add. I can save it. So I have assigned this particular user to this group. So that is how you can create the group. Okay. So I've created that group. So you just keep in mind test one test, So now what I will do, so basically I will go to application. So you can go to Anypoint SAML. Under that, you can go to general. You can go to edit. Under edit, let me see, not this edit, you have to go to SAML settings edit. Okay, you can say next. Now you have to give some name here. I can say group unspecified, a group matches Regis. I'm saying all the group. So whatever group available will have access to this particular to the Anypoint platform. Basically, just keep this thing in the mind. Basically, okay. So group, this is very important. Keep the name and whatever test one name we have given, just keep this in the mind. So what we are saying, any group, available in this Okta like able to access the resources which we will going to map in Anypoint platform. Just say next, finish. Okay. Now I will go to Anypoint platform. Let me refresh my Anypoint platform. So we have what I can do. So I want to give some access. So I can go to roles. So I want my person login into Anypoint platform at least have Cloud of admin basically, right? So I can do here. You can remove this basically update. So what I can do. So you can just say group is test one. The test one group which we have created. Just say update. So here you have to do the external group mapping. So I have done the test one which I have created. Okay. Now other thing. So basically, if you see, we have created the test one group, and other thing what we have done, if you go back to general settings, so we have given this name as a group, right? And we need to map this with SAML identity provider in Anypoint platform. So basically, you can go to identity provider. You can edit it, and at the last, what is the group attribute? A group basically, right? This is the thing you have to read all the groups from this group attribute. Save. Okay, let me copy this URL now. Let me open Edge again. So now we will at least any user, okay, from the organization login into Anypoint platform will have a default cloud admin access. Okay, so generally you should not do that. You can give some kind of, give us some low level accesses, not low level, like high level access, like some kind of restricted access basically. Now I will put my username. I will put my password. So it is logging into me as Anypoint platform. Now let me check if I have access to runtime manager. So you can see you got the access to the one of the environment which you have, you can see some of the access. By default you got some of the accesses of the cloud of admin. Okay, so you can see we got some default accesses. Okay, so that is also a possible basically using groups and I am performing the external mapping on the Anypoint platform roles, right? That is how you can do that. Okay, so that is how you can do the identity management using Okta SAML 2.0 and Anypoint platform. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, Please click on like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.